Is it worth it? That's where we're today in Frederick, just north of Walkersville, to check out this house right behind me. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. They are asking $425,000. Got my buyers inside already, and we're here to see, is it worth it? So just across the street here, we got a beautiful farm and the Kataken Mountains. And we got our well right here. Roof seems to be in okay shape. Stone, looks like a stone veneer. Maybe a brick, I guess. I'm not really sure what type that is. It's brick. Just a really cool looking brick. I would definitely take these 2 trees out because they are probably causing issues with the foundation. But good yard. We got a side entrance or a back entrance. I haven't been inside yet to know. And is that a cat door? Looks like they put a cat door in the window well. Mortar, probably something used to be there. And some more brick around. Here's the HVAC. See if we can't find an age on this dude. And I'm not seeing a serial number. Normally they're buried in there. Oh, we got the tag back here. There's the tag I'm looking for. I can't see that. 21. There we go. 18 or 21. And I'm not sure how far back it goes over there. But this side over here is fenced, so we're gonna walk back around. Looks like they had 2 panels there at one point. All of the insulation around the wiring, not great. We got some chip and peel and paint. Let's check the other side out. A little rough around the edges here. There's our 1-car garage. At least it used to be. So we got propane tank. I think the lot keeps running further over there. That garage door is rough. And we got more yard here. This part's fenced in. Deck down the back. Bugs are everywhere, and we got a walkout as well. What is that hose for? I don't know. Let's head in and check on the buyers. Living room, big windows. They have been updated. I can't say that they're brand new. No, definitely not brand new. Look how busted up that channel guard is. So we got hardwood floors in the living room and dining room. We got a fireplace that was set up for a wood stove, which is why that pipe is sticking out there. Here's our side entrance. Then got the double door. A bench. Does not look like any water coming in there, which is nice. Oh, had an issue here at some point. Busted seal, kitchen.
Smells musty.
Musty down there?
Yeah, it smells musty.
Not surprising. Closets, pantries on both sides. More hardwoods. Here's bedroom number 1. And I think we got a hall bath over here. No power apparently. Here we got dual sinks, walk-in shower. That's probably the master. Want to take it for a spin? Got 2 motorized carts. This floor was definitely carpeted at one point. You can see the tack strips on the corner, or where they used to be, where the padding got stuck to the wood floors. Refinish these things up, and I think it'd be good. And bedroom number 3. Good sized closets, good sized room, and a ceiling fan. And these floors were carpeted also. Let's see what we can find in the basement. Let's see if we got a creepy basement. Over on this side, that's where the walkout is, and the garage door. We got down here. We got another full bath down here. And so this would be your garage, I guess. The walls don't look bad. They really don't look bad, like any water's coming in, so that tells me the gutters are working. And there's more storage space in here. Let's see if I can pull up my flashlight. Oh, we got a fireplace in here. A little water staining. Alright, so cool little room. And what do we got on this side of the basement? The old beach cruiser. That's an awesome bike. So they were running that dehumidifier, but the power's off, so they're not running it anymore. So you got washer and dryer, an old laundry sink. I love these old ones. It's super cool. And what do we got in here? I don't know. I'm not that motivated to look in there. Washer and dryer seem pretty new. Water heater. Let's see if I can find an age here. '01 maybe? '01 or '04, I would guess. And our panel. Lots of old wires, old panel. They're not fuses, they are breakers, so that's at least somewhat of a bonus. But yeah, this thing needs a lot of work. But it's a big space. And what do we got back here? All kinds of fun stuff. So our HVAC, they wrote on there, 15. And it's a Carrier gas, propane, which is nice. And they used to have another wood stove hooked up there. What in the heck is this? That's, I don't know what that is. Sump pump? Oh yeah, there we go. All right, so that's for a sump pump. Got a water softener, sediment filters, pressure tank. And it looks like they took a wall out here at some point. And there's your well pump, pressure tank, 26 PSI, goodness. And that filter needs to be changed. That one's not so bad. So now that we've been through this whole house, inside out, what do you think? Is it worth it for $425,000? I don't know. Let's go find my buyers and see what they say.